So one of the first integrations that I want to teach you about is to trigger an internal notification via email and also reach out to your lead via email. All right, so we're gonna first log in to Go for Clients. And very quickly here, all you have to do is click on the form automation icon right here. You could also access that through My Drips right here, but let's use this, which is faster. Once you're here, as I said, we're gonna work on an email notification and an email to your lead. But as you can see, we offer a lot of different templates that you can use. You could also trigger an SMS, trigger a call, and I'm actually going to produce some videos on this so you get to see exactly how to do it, but let's focus on this one. So I'm gonna use this template, click on Use. We configure it. It's going to be triggered via webhook. And then here I just need to choose the sender email. Click on Build Drip. And this is the cool thing about Go for Clients, that it actually already gives me a template that has the path, the drip already built. So all we need to do is start configuring it. So for that, we just click on Start here, and it's going to guide me step by step on what to do. So the first thing, it provides me that URL link that we already discussed. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy that URL link, and I'm gonna go back to my dashboard. Once again, I'm on my dashboard in WordPress. I'm gonna look for my Gravity forms. Here's my form. All right, I'm gonna edit my form, or I could directly go to settings and do webhook, whichever is fine. So if I go to webhooks, I say edit. And what I'm going to do is this field that could be empty, or if it has another URL, make sure you change it and paste the URL that you just copied. This needs to be in post, and this other request format needs to be in JSON. All right. So once that's done, you can actually give it a name, whatever you want, doesn't matter. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Save Settings. Perfect, guys. So now let's go back to Go for Clients and click on Next Step. It says waiting for data, so it actually needs to receive data to establish that connection. So let's trigger that form. So what I do is I go to my testing site that I already have, I go for test, and I'm going to trigger from the Gravity form the information. Let's fill it out. And let's say that I need a demo and just submit it. When I go back to Go for Clients, I can see that the data has been received. We now have a green dot confirming that a successful integration has happened. And I can actually see the fields. I can see that in this scenario, or the way Gravity is naming those fields, it's named them by numbers, field 1, 3, 4, 5, etc. So I know that that integration has happened. So let's go to the next step. And it's mapping. It's associating the fields that Go for Clients needs to trigger that email to your lead, or to trigger that notification that we're going to send internally to our contact center, to our marketing team, to our sales guys, whomever. I need to, associate those fields. And so let's do it. The first thing is I need a name. So when I activate that name tag, I'm going to map it and say where am I going to bring that from, right? And so you could go by trial and error, just go ahead and select, like for example, field 1, so I can see that the name is really coming through. If you don't remember, you can use this icon and see the data. And now you can see that, oh, all right, field 3 is for the email, field 4 is for the phone number, and then whatever another message is. So that could also help you. So I can do that. So the email is going to come from field 3. There it is. It shows me what it's perceiving. The mobile is going to come from that field 4. And I'm going to activate the message as well, because I want my team to know what the customer requested. In this case, whatever message they typed in. So fantastic. If you need more tags, you can just click on this plus sign here, and you can add as many as you want. And that's it. So we've mapped successfully all the fields that I need. Then go to Actions. Actions is how quickly I'm going to trigger that notification and that email. I like to do it as soon as possible, just because I know stats which show that if you take a day to reach out to a lead, it reduces the probability of that lead becoming a customer by 60 times. Even if it takes you just an hour, it still reduces that probability by 7 times. So I really like to trigger that immediately. It's all about immediacy, how quickly you can reach out to them. But definitely you can change those settings to seconds, minutes, days, hours, whatever you guys need. Go for Clients is super flexible with that. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and I'm gonna go to the next drip unit, which in this case, it's this notification, all right? So the notification, and what I told you is I'm gonna teach you how to send that notification via email. We could send it via SMS, via voice call. I just want you to know that that's there. As I said, there are other videos, but today we're gonna send it email. So where am I gonna send it to? I'm gonna go ahead and send it to myself just to show you here on the same screen, but this is where you would put any email. Sales team, marketing team, contact center, whoever you want that internal alert that a lead has come through to receive that, this is where you would put that email. You could change anything you want, the subject, you can actually change the design of that email that they're gonna receive by clicking on change design, going to the templates that we offer and select whatever you need. Or if you have something already pre-designed, go ahead and use that. I'm happy with my selection, so I'm gonna keep it, and I'm just gonna go to the next drip unit. The next drip unit is going to be the email. And in the configuration, very similar to the notification because it's an email, I already have this. The unit name is email. I'm the subject, welcome. I'm going to use the hashtag name, hashtag, so I can personalize that. So I'm pulling this information from the name field on the form. You could do that as well. That's perfect. And again, you could change the design, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to keep it simple because I just want to show you guys how easy it is to establish this integration. So I'm happy with everything. All I need to do right now is save my drip. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say that this is the gravity email test, and I'm going to save and activate it. So as you can see very quickly, I have my drip built. It's blue right here showing that it's active and ready to run, and let's test it. All right, so for that, all I need to do is I need to go to my actual website, and I'm going to play the role of a lead that sees this form, and I want to provide my information. So once again, I'm going to fill out everything. This time, let's say that I need an urgent demo. All right, urgent demo. There it is. Perfect. So I have everything, and I'm going to submit it. All right. So once I submit it, the Go for Clients drip is going to take over. Right. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm very quickly going to show you my inbox. Let me just expand it right here. And as you can see, I immediately receive the emails. The first one is you have a new lead. So this is the internal notification. If I was a sales guy, I'm receiving this from Go for Clients. As you can see, let's go ahead and pop that open completely. So as you can see, I received the full alert that I have a new lead, and it provides me with the entire information. It says, listen, a guy named Juan, he left his email, he left his phone number, and he's requesting an urgent demo. So now as a sales guy, I know I have to go after this very hot lead. So this is fantastic, very useful. Now, if I play the role of the lead myself, I see that I received the welcome email. This probably would be the logo of that company, whatever, but it says, welcome Juan, thanks for contacting us, our team will be in touch shortly. And awesome, I as a lead now know that I'm important for them, that I've been reached out to, and that I just need to sit tight because they're going to reach out to me very quickly as they just did here. So guys, I hope you liked it. It's super easy. I'll see you next time.